Hey guys, this is the Prime 28 by 40. This is the most affordable double wide within the state of Florida, period. It's 1,067 square feet and a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, coming inside, you've got 8-foot flat ceilings, overhead ductwork, linoleum flooring throughout. Now in the Prime series, you do have the wallboard, so you're going to have the battens every 4 feet vertically along the walls. You can upgrade to 1/2-inch finished drywall, but standard in the Prime series is the wallboard. That's part of what makes this series such an affordable series, okay? Moving into the kitchen, standard, you've got white cabinets, black appliances, and then this countertop here, okay? It's post-form, it's all one piece rolled Formica, all right? You can upgrade these cabinets to gray, and you can upgrade these appliances to stainless steel, all right? There's also an upgrade on the fridge. You can go from a up and down fridge to a side-by-side fridge, which is a nice option to consider, okay? Moving into the master bedroom, actually a decent sized master. For only being a 40-foot house, this has a good sized master, all right? And it has a closet, somewhat of a walk-in closet. You can walk in and move side to side. So wire rack, decent sized closet, okay? Moving into the master bath. Standard, you'll have a single sink. You can upgrade and add a second sink. This is your toilet, obviously. And then in the shower in the master is a one-piece fiberglass shower, okay? It's not 2-piece in plastic, which will crack and leak over time. It's 1-piece fiberglass, all right? Let's move into the guest bedroom, bedrooms 2 and 3. So this is bedroom 3. This is the smaller of the bedrooms. It's small. I mean, to have a 3-bedroom home and 40-foot of space, you know, you're gonna have a smaller bedroom. It does have a closet, okay? Just a closet, all right? And then moving into bedroom number 2. This bedroom here is a little bit bigger, all right? Same size closet. So you can see here, closet space. All right, so they're still getting a full 3 bedrooms in a 40-foot double wide. And then the guest bath, you've got a 1-piece tub shower, all right? Fiberglass, not plastic, single sink, and then the toilet, obviously. All right, let's take a look at the utility room. So going through the kitchen, into the utility room, here's your access for a hot water tank, all right? This is your washer dryer space, actually a decent sized utility room. Okay, you could add wire rack over here, some cabinet space, I would consider that. And then your standard 9-light rear door. Okay, so that's standard with the Prime series. 9-light rear door and a 6-panel front door. So there you have it. This is the most affordable double wide, period, within the state of Florida. If you compare this to the other manufacturers, this is built within Florida, so you're not paying for the additional freight that the other manufacturers charge. So this Prime series, it's simple, it's back to basics. They limit the amount of options, but they build a quality home at a very attractive price point. So if you're interested in this home or any other, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.